25 shots in this season. 99 of them are threes. Haskell has played 12 games so far. They've had a busy early portion of the schedule. Alexander Ellenwood will make the start. He's from Idaho. Preston Olney from Flagstaff, Arizona averages 12 points and 3 rebounds per game. And Aaron Campbell, junior from Grinnell, Iowa, averages 3.5 points and 3 rebounds per game. The starters for OCU: point guard Savon Smith, 6'2", 187, a junior from Little Rock, Arkansas, 7.5 points, 4.5 rebounds, 2 assists per game. Brian Alexander, the reigning Offensive Player of the Week in the Sooner Athletic Conference from Norfolk, Virginia, averages 17.5 points, 4 rebounds, and 4 assists per contest. Jonas Carlisle is the leading scorer for the Stars, 18.5 points, 7.5 rebounds, 2.5 assists per game. Jackson Hops, 6'4", 195, a junior from Culver City, California, scoring 11 points and 1 rebound per game. And Alphonse Mateba is the center. The junior from Montreal averages 9 points and 6 rebounds per game. He's the center jumper, and the Stars win the tip. In fact, Mateba gets it back off a tip from Hops. And the Stars have the first possession. Here's Carlisle to Alexander, right side of the floor. Bounce pass to Smith, top of the circle. Inside Mateba, swiped out with a helping defender, and Haskell gets a steal as Aaron Campbell comes up with a loose ball. Preston Olney is the one that jarred it loose. His pass is deflected by Hops, and Jackson gets the steal in front of the OCU bench. The teams exchange turnovers on the first possession. Alexander to Carlisle on the right wing. Looks inside, Mateba covered up. Now a deep three, top of the circle by Alexander. Back rim, no good. And Campbell rebounds for Haskell. Preston Olney will take it across midcourt. Hops the defender on him. A lob pass into the post to Boykins. Backing in on Alexander, left block. To the middle, wraparound pass, gets away and goes out of bounds back to OCU, and Haskell turns it over for the second time. Alexander will initiate the offense. He'll be defended by Jesse White. Takes it off left behind the screen, out to Carlisle. He'll shoot for 3. It's online, it's good. And the Stars open the scoring with a 3-pointer from Jonas Carlisle. They lead 3-0. Haskell with the basketball now. Jesse White, guarded by Savon Smith, right side of the floor, picks it up. A bounce pass nearly stolen, but got its way to Boykins. He's defended by Carlisle, backs away all the way out near midcourt with 13 to shoot. Now plays it on the left side to Olney. He's invited left. Instead, he steps back, shoots for 3. It's off the glass and rim missed. Carlisle rebounds, and the Stars push. Jonas into the front court right slot. Heads off left, gets into the middle, drops it underneath to Mateba. Dribbles underneath the basket and has to throw it back out to Hops. Jackson drives the baseline and is fouled by Preston Olney. First foul of the game. It goes on Preston Olney. Stars will inbound, right baseline underneath, and it comes to the right elbow to Carlisle. Rips through, foul line jumper straight away, good. And Jonas Carlisle has all 5 for OCU. Jesse White across midcourt for the Fighting Indians of Haskell. Now on the wing, it's Boykins. Left side now backing in on Mateba. Alphonse stays vertical. The ball poked away from behind. Loose ball taken by Alexander. Bryant up the center of the floor. Backs away. Sends it over to Hops right side. Jackson between the legs on the dribble. Gets to the middle. Gets to the rim and lays it in. And OCU up 7-0. First basket for Jackson Hops, and the first basket for somebody that's not Jonas Carlisle. And OCU leads 7-0. 2.5 minutes in. Campbell, top of the circle, heads left, hands it off to White, the leading scorer. He drives it left into 3 defenders, drops it off to Campbell, and he's fouled going to the basket by Alexander. First foul on OCU goes on Brian Alexander, and it'll be 2 shots for Aaron Campbell, who is 4 of 5 foul shooting this season. And he missed the first. Campbell trying to break the seal for the first time. He does. It's 7-1. Haskell presses in the backcourt, but OCU handles it. Carlisle straight away, open three, got another one. And Jonas Carlisle has 8 early points, and it's 10-1 OCU. 3 minutes into the game. White dribbling out near midcourt, has a screen either way. Now he'll pull up for a deep three straight away that's a brick. Muteba with the rebound for OCU. Alexander up the left side to Carlisle. A touch pass to Hops. Top of the key, Alexander off the shot fake. Spins into the middle. Out to Savon Smith. Wide open right corner three. That's no good. Muteba offensive rebound. Put back is in. (12-1) OCU. Alphonse Muteba with his first basket. White on the dribble. Has it poked away by Smith and taken by Carlisle. Haskell has turned it over 4 times. Smith in the front court, drives the left baseline to the rim, hangs in the air and throws it away. And we have a whistle. And we'll see, what is this? Is there a foul on Haskell that would give OCU the ball back? Apparently that is the case. Preston Olney called for the foul. That is his second and the team's second. Inbound Alexander. Pull up baseline jumper left side. Good. First basket for Brian Alexander, and it is 14-1 OCU. Haskell has only managed to get up 2 shots. There's a step back three by White that's way off, too hard. Long rebound, Karams out to the top of the circle to Ellenwood. Nearly a run-through steal by Carlisle. Now it makes its way back to Olney for a pull-up 18-footer that's good. First basket from the floor for Haskell makes it 14-3 OCU. Olney with a bucket. Savon Smith deep in the right corner. Sends it out front to Alexander. Lobs inside for Muteba, and he's fouled from behind by Boykins. Nehemiah Boykins gets his first and the team's third. Carlisle will inbound left baseline underneath, lobs it into Muteba. Left wing, takes one dribble, hands it off to Jackson Hops. He's defended by Olney, leans in, 15-footer off the glass, missed. Offensive rebound and a stick back for Muteba. 4 points for Muteba, and it's 16-3. OCU with a really fast start in the first 5 minutes. Ellenwood top of the circle, spins, backs his way into the elbow, now plays it to White for a pull-up 18-footer off the glass and rim, missed, and Alexander rebounds for OCU. Up the center of the floor, a speed dribble. Plays it off to Smith at the rim, and he lays it in. First basket for Savon Smith. It is 18-3 with 14:45 to play in the first. Boykins. Altajun for three. It's good. Kohanan Altajun. Here's a loose ball in the middle that's slapped away. Taken by Haskell. The Stars turn it over for the second time. Up ahead to Olney. Now White splits the defense, spins to the basket. Left-hand layup, good. That was a sweet move by Jesse White for his first basket of the day. 5 in a row for Haskell to make it a 10-point game at 18-8. Jackson Hops tries for three straight away. Back rim, that one no good. And an uncontested rebound underneath for Boykins. White dribbling out top to the foul line, throws it away, taken by Muteba. Out front, Savon Smith. He's uncontested for the slam. 4 for Savon Smith. It's 20-8. OCU. Olney has picked up his dribble way outside right. Up top, it comes to Ellenwood. On the wing, Altajun. Just made a three a moment ago, guarded by Muteba. Throws it away, telegraphed the pass, intercepted by Carlisle the other way for the layup. And a timeout, Haskell. So Carlisle already into double figures with 10. OCU's lead is 22-8. And Haskell uses a timeout. Jonas Carlisle, 10 points. Alphonse Mateba, Savon Smith, 4 apiece. Brian Alexander, Jackson Hops, each with 2. Haskell is 3 of 7 from the floor. Nehemiah Boykins at the line, the second leading scorer for Haskell, 16 points per game. Is a 70% foul shooter. Missed the first. Boykins out of Tulsa, Oklahoma, makes the second. Carlisle brings it across midcourt. Defended by Boykins. Continues to dribble out front. Now he'll just pull up for 3. A brick, and the rebound to White for Haskell. Long pass into the front court and a deep 3 from Olney left side, back rimmed it. Smith with a rebound for OCU. And he'll push up the center of the floor. Defender on his back. Kicks into the corner. Wide open. James Cloud right side 3 is an air ball. Offside rebound stolen by Tranter. Back to Smith. Gets into the middle and lays it in. Off the pretty pass fake, Savon Smith gives OCU a 24-9 advantage, and Smith has 6 points. 12-12 to play first half. Only on the dribble. Left side guarded by Carlisle. A one-hand pass to Ellenwood, top of the circle. Now Atajun off a curl for 3. In and out, no good from the right wing. Hancock with the rebound for the Stars. Savon Smith across midcourt, just walks it up against Olney. Has a screen waiting, goes the other way instead. Stops top of the circle, back to the right side to Carlisle. Backing in now on Olney, a second defender lurking. A one-hand pass to Bo Tranter, and he's fouled going up for the layup on the left side of the floor. Boy, that was a quick pass by Jonas Carlisle. And Ellenwood picks up the personal, his first and the team's 4th, and it's 2 shots for Bo Tranter. First one tumbles around and out, no good. Omel Osius is in. Early appearance for him. Bo's second foul shot is good. It's 25-9. That's the first point of the game for the third-year OCU player, Bo Tranter. Olney gets by Osius to the rim, then kicks it back out, throws it away. He turned down what would have been a pretty open layup. There wasn't much rim protection there for OCU. He would have been able to at least get it onto the glass, if not put it up and in. Instead, chose to toss it out to the perimeter and threw it between 2 players out of bounds. Osius into the front court, running point for OCU, gets a screen to the top from Hancock, throws it back to Hakeem, center of the floor. He'll pull up for a top of the key 3, and he got it. Just casually steps into the 3. Hakeem Hancock with his first basket. Jesse White off a curl, drives it right into the corner. Atajun for 3. That's no good. Offside rebound, will have a foul. And are they going to call Hancock for the foul? He's the one that ended up on his back. They will get Hakeem for the personal. That's his first and the team's 3rd.
Their first personal foul, team foul number 3.
28-9 is the OCU lead at the 11-minute mark of the first half. Haskell inbounding. It's Boykins. Out comes out top. Back inside to Boykins. A short jump hook at the rim. Crawled out. No good. Ryan Alexander back in the game. He rebounds, pushes it up the left side to Tranter. Now left baseline, James Cloud tried to dunk and was fouled by White. First on Jesse White. That's the 5th team foul on Haskell. And it'll be James Cloud, another third-year OCU player who will attempt these foul shots. He's 5 of 6 at the line this season. And he missed the first, back rimmed it. Stars are 1 of 3 from the foul line in the first 9 minutes of the game, and James makes the second. It's 29-9. Stars have scored the game's last 7. Boykins in the front court, defended by Alexander. Bounces it to Olney. Now Attajun on the right wing. Back up top for White. Steps back, shoots for 3 right side. Spun out, no good. Offensive rebound to Boykins. Follow is good. So that breaks the run, and Boykins has his first field goal. Stars break the press. Hancock drives it left. Teardrop shot in the lane is good. Hakeem Hancock with 5 points. 31-11 OCU. Here's a drive by White. Gets all the way underneath and kicks it out to Olney. Run off the 3-point line. Drives it right. Gets into the lane. Back outside. White deep 3 left side. Spun off no good. Hancock rebounds for OCU. Alexander pushes it up the center of the floor and veers off right. Motions a cutter away. Dribbling on the right wing. Got it poked away out of bounds by Olney. And we'll have a timeout. 9:47 to play. First half. It's OCU 31 and Haskell 11. Stars have matched their biggest lead, a 20-point advantage over Haskell. We take time as well. It's OCUsports.com.
No word in the English language is less convincing than probably.
Are you sure we should get matching tattoos on our first date?
Sure. Hey, are you sure?
Haskell is just 4 of 13 shooting from the floor. They've turned it over 7 times for 14 OCU points. Stars doubling up the Indians on the glass, 10-5. Destin Jenkins is into the game for the first time for OCU, and back in is Mateba. Alexander has picked up his dribble, plays it to Cloud, right angle inside the 3-point line. Now Alexander with 9 to shoot, back to Cloud, into the corner, Hancock right side, 3-pointer. That's too hard, and the rebound goes over the head of Cloud and taken by Haskell. Aaron Campbell vacuums it in and throws it up the left side to Olney. Boykins to White, right side, and he's fouled by Jenkins. That's the first on Jenkins, the 4th on OCU. Inbound to Campbell, over to Attajun for 3 left side, spun out. Hancock with a rebound for OCU, hands it off to Alexander up the center of the floor, jump pass to Mateba, and he's stripped underneath by White. Attajun with the basketball now into the front court right side. Guarded by Hancock, he'll back it out between the 2 circles. Back over to the right wing he goes on the dribble. Now he pulls up for 3 right slot and hits. Second 3 for Attajun. He's got 6. 31-14. Hancock, mid-post left side, bounces it back out to Alexander for 3. Front rim, that one no good. Offensive rebound, Mateba. Out to Jenkins. Destin has it poked away out of bounds by Olney. Jack McWilliams in for the first time. Jonas Carlisle returns for OCU. Cloud and Hancock go to the bench. 17 to shoot for the Stars. They'll inbound right baseline underneath. About as big a lineup as OCU can put on the floor. Alexander, bounce pass inside, knocked away, but right back to Alexander. Short jumper right side is good. Second basket for Alexander. He has 4. Jesse White dribbles across midcourt, defended by Alexander. Plays it to Olney on the right wing. Back top of the key, Attajun has made 2 threes. Back to White it goes, whips it inside. Attajun at the rim, missed the layup, and a wow! Supremely late whistle on the foul that time as They will get Destin Jenkins for his second. OCU was already a quarter of the way down the floor before the whistle blew for the fifth foul on the Stars, and it'll be foul shots for Kohanan Atazun, who is 12 of 16, 75% on the season. Haskell as a team today is 2 of 4. First foul shot missed woefully short. Hops is back in. Jenkins is out with 2 quick fouls. One more for Atazun, and that one crawls out. Carlisle rebounds. So an 0 for 2 trip. Carlisle behind a McWilliams screen to the right. Pull up elbow jumper right angle. Yes. 12 for Carlisle. And here's a steal on the other end as Haskell tried to throw it all the way underneath. Run through by Muteba. And the Stars get the steal. And now we have an illegal screen foul called on Jack McWilliams. And he looks over at the bench and Sam Conkey says, yeah, you were leaning just a bit. That foul on Jack is his first and the team's 6th. Jesse White, guarded by Jackson Hops. Invited left, he goes that way, now backs away, shoots for 3, falling away, and it spins around the rim and in. So Jesse White, his first 3 today. He's got 5, 33-17. Alexander into the corner, Muteba, back out to Carlisle, who has 12 points. Around to Jackson Hops behind a screen, he'll try for 3, and he got it. 38-17. Here's another step back 3 by White left side. That one spun out, no good, and Muteba leaps high in the air for the rebound. Alexander into the front court, gets a screen to his left, tried to throw it back to the screener. It was batted into the air. Alexander recovers just inside the 3-point line. Plays it out to Carlisle on the right wing. Jab steps, now shoots for 3. Missed it too short. Atazun rebounds for Haskell. White guarded by Carlisle, dribbling between the 2 circles, plays it to Boykins. He'll shoot a deep 3 left side, and he got it over Jack McWilliams. Boykins with 6. Hops with a lob to the rim, and it went off the rim. Intended for McWilliams, taken by Haskell. Only 3-pointer right side crawled off, and Muteba with the rebound. Alphonse with 6 retrievals already. Long pass down the floor to McWilliams, and he's stripped going up by either Olney or Campbell. And it is Olney with a foul, and that is 3 on Preston Olney. It's 6 on Haskell as a team. And Jack McWilliams will be at the line to shoot 2. He's 4 of 10 this season. Makes the first. Jack's been a pretty good foul shooter for his career. Struggled a bit in the early going this year, but he makes the first one there. His first point of the game. Savon Smith is back in. Alphonse Muteba is out. And Jack makes both. Boykins crosses over again, heads left, gets to the baseline, throws it outside. Back around it comes to Hawkins. Now Boykins gets it back left side, pump fakes, now backing in on Jack. Bumps off of Jack, who stands his ground. 6 to shoot. Now a fall-away jump hook, a tough shot that missed. Carlisle doubles back for the rebound for OCU. Up the left side, Alexander into the front court. Refuses a screen, heads left, pull-up baseline jumper left. Baseline, he got it. Sweet shot, Brian Alexander. He's got 6, and it's 42-20. OCU with its biggest lead. Here's a drive and a wild pass. It was actually slapped away from White as he wanted to get it to Jacobs on the baseline. Knocked out of bounds. It'll be Haskell basketball. 5:18 to play in the half, and OCU up big, 42-20 over the Haskell Indian Nations University. Inbound to White, left wing. Bounce pass to Boykins, 15 feet away, defended by Smith. Whips it across the defense. It's poked away out of bounds by Alexander, who nearly got a steal. Not so sure if Alexander doesn't get a hand on it. It's not just a clean pickoff by Jackson Hops, who was also there on the backside of the defense. Boykins off the inbound, backing in on Carlisle, right baseline this time. Whips it across for a baseline jumper that missed badly by Ellenwood, and the rebound to Carlisle on the run. Jonas center of the floor, picks it up, left side, bounces it to Jack, who hands it right back to Jonas. He gives it to Alexander on the right wing, gets a screen to his left from Jack. Boykins helps out. Now Smith in the left low post, backing in on Hawkins. Poked away for a moment, he got it back, powers it up, puts it up, no good, but a foul. And 2 shots for Savon Smith. They'll get Boykins for this foul. It is on Boykins, his second, and the team's 7th. And we have a timeout. 4:47 to play, second half. It's OCU 42 and Haskell 20 here at Abe Lemons Arena on OCUsports.com.
What is that?
Oh, it's my time machine.
Does it work?
Sure, just hit this button.
Whoa, dinosaurs. Cool.
Or we can go here.
Hey, that's Napoleon.
Oui.
Or we can go to the future.
Wow, hey, you have this nice house. Do I have a nice house?
No, you didn't save any money. Always spent it on vacations and stuff.
If only there was a way I could go back in time and correct that bad habit.
Yep.
Okay, the time machine is not real, but the saving thing is. Get in the habit of putting some of your money in savings each week through a 401k, savings account, or financial investments. Put away a few bucks, feel like $1 million. For free ideas and easy tips on saving, go to feedthepig.org. That's feedthepig.org.
What does this crazy little button do?
Wait, no!
This message brought to you by the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants and the Ad Council.
OCU Athletics would like to thank our community partners, SSM Health, the Cliff Davis Show, Klassen Coffee Company, and the Fordson Hotel. Well, the Stars have their biggest lead of the game at 42-20 over Haskell. 4:47 to play, second half, and Savon Smith going to the foul line to try to increase the lead. Stars out rebounding Haskell 17-7. They have an 8-2 advantage second chance points. And a 14-8 advantage off turnovers. Savon Smith makes the first. He has 7 points. 73% foul shooter is Smith. And he made both. And the Stars will press. Ryan Hawkins dribbling in the backcourt. Floats it across midcourt to Jacobs. Curls it back. Plays it on the wing to an open Boykins right side. A high arcing three is good. Second three for Nehemiah Boykins. He has 9. The last 4 baskets for Haskell have been threes. Smith hands it off to Mateba at the rim, and he puts it in. 6 for Alphonse Mateba. The Stars put on the press again. Jacobs to Hawkins, and they'll use a timeout to avoid a 10-second count.
Haskell, timeout. 30 seconds.
Five of the 8 made shots for Haskell are threes. They're 5 of 15 from long distance. They're 8 of 22, 36% overall. The Stars are a blistering 67% from the floor, 18 of 27. They're 4 of 12 on threes. They're 6 of 8 at the foul line. They've gotten a handful of shots at the rim, but they've also made some pretty difficult shots as well from both Carlisle and Brian Alexander. Jonas Carlisle, the only double-figure scorer in the game. He has 12. He's made 5 of 7 shots, including 2 threes in 4 tries. Savon Smith with 8 points for OCU, and then Mateba and Alexander each with 6. Haskell with the basketball. It's already down to 16 to shoot as they come into the front court. 10-second count resets on the timeout. White, a drive and kick into the corner. Jacobs right side for three. Spun out, no good. Carlisle with a rebound, his fifth. Pushes it up the left side to Smith. Savant to the middle, out to Alexander. Heads left, cut off by Boykins, 22 to shoot. Still dribbling straight away. Now he throws it to the mid-post to Carlisle. Kicks it out to Tranter in the left corner. Bo got it knocked away, but he got it back. Mid-post, Mateba draws three defenders, and he's hacked. And that'll be a 1-and-1 foul shot for Alphonse Mateba. The foul on Boykins, I think, is his third. It is three on the second leading scorer for Haskell, Nehemiah Boykins. It's team foul 8, so it's a 1-and-1 for Alphonse Mateba, who is a 59% foul shooter. He's 20 of 34. Missed the first off the heel of the rim, and the rebound to Jacobs for Haskell. So it remains a 23-point game at 46-23. Ryan Hawkins, top of the circle to Boykins. Barrels his way left side, draws contact, throws it in off the glass. They'll count it +1. The whistle came before the shot, but continuation applies apparently, and Boykins a chance for a three-point play. He's got 11, and Bo Tranter with the foul, his first and the team's seventh. Nehemiah Boykins, 1 of 2 foul shooting. And he makes it.
Into the lineup for the Fighting Indians. Number 30, Aaron Campbell.
Campbell is in, Boykins is out. Alexander gets a screen to his left, dribbling in the left corner, now drives the baseline, throws it out to Tranter, right corner. Bo drives to the middle, draws a foul. After initially saying it was on the floor, the official changes his mind and says, no, that's a shooting foul too. Hawkins gets the personal this time. It's his first, it's the team's ninth, and so apparently they said that was a two-shot foul. They did. Bo Tranter will shoot 2 here. And it's a good thing he missed the first. He'll get another one. 46-26 is the OCU lead. Boykins is right back into the game, and Alexander Ellenwood is out for Haskell. 3:09 to play in the first. One more for Bo Tranter. He makes that one. Stars will press again. Here's a long pass that makes its way into the front court to Olney. Haskell will now back away and run some half-court offense. Olney stops just inside the three-point line and scores from 18 feet away straight away. Second basket for Olney. 47-28. Smith off the crossover. Picks up his dribble. He was open for a moment. Played it to Tranter. Inside Mateba. Backs in, gets to the rim and lays it in. Boykins did not want to pick up another foul. He had to just let Alphonse go, who now has got 8 points, and it's 49-28. 2:25 to play first half. Boykins top of the circle. Gets a screen to his left, pulls up for 3. That's off front rim, no good. Alexander there for the rebound for OCU. Up the left side against Olney. Gets a brush screen from Carlisle, throws it back to Jonas left side, back out to Alexander wide open, three-pointer. Too short, rebound knocked away from Campbell, but taken by White for Haskell. White into the front court off the crossover, goes behind the back. White steps back, left side, three-pointer, good. Jesse White with his second three, he's got 8 points. And it's 49-31. Brian Alexander tried to throw it to the rim and went off the basket again. Mateba saves it from going out of bounds. Loose ball recovered out front by Carlisle, 8 to shoot. Splits the defense, gets to the rim and missed a layup. Haskell rebounds, long pass up the floor to Boykins. He's ahead of everybody and he lays it in. Boykins with 14. Tranter splits the defense and throws it in with the left hand at the rim. Haskell comes the other way quickly. White Hands it off to Boykins. Bounce pass up top to Campbell. Back to Boykins. Head fakes. Plays it to White. Invited left. He goes that way into a double team. Crosses over. Now backs in on Smith. Out to Boykins. Deep three. He got it. And it's down to a 15-point game, and Sam Conkey wants a timeout with 40 seconds to play in the half. So Nehemiah Boykins up to 17 points. He's made 3 threes. .40 seconds left in the half. OCU's lead was once 24. It's now 15. Brian Alexander will bring it up. Haskell backs off. Looks like they may be in a zone defense, or maybe now they'll go man. It started out in a 2-3 configuration. Now it looks like they've matched up out of it, down to 16 to shoot. Alexander guarded by White. Gets a screen to his right. To Tranter. Right corner Carlisle. Back to Bowe on the wing. Bowe, one dribble and a pull-up 18-footer right angle's good. Six for Beau Tranter. 7 seconds. White, three-pointer straight away. Missed it short. Rebound out near midcourt at the buzzer. Haskell can't do anything with it. And that's the end of the half. OCU leads 53-36 at the break.
The whole time. And him on the
Talks to
23 minutes. Right seat.
We're going to.
I knew you would.
Text and work.
Because that's what caregivers do.
Breathing could feel.
No, for
Criminal is not
9 shoot. Percent shoot. 30 conference series with Haskell. Not really the way it played out, but 7 of their 13 made shots are from 3. And just the moments that they hit them maybe felt a little bigger than they actually were. Stars go with the original 5 to start the second half with Smith, Alexander, Carlisle, Hops, and Mateba. It'll be only Atazun, Boykins, White, and Ellenwood for Haskell. Haskell with the basketball first. This is Boykins straight away, guarded by Carlisle. Trying to back him in from the mid-post right side. Picks it up. Carlisle blocks the shot and gets the rebound. Good defense by Jonas. And the Stars get a stop on the first possession. Alexander across midcourt. He'll be defended by Atazun. Still dribbling way outside right. Gets a screen to his left. Throws it back to the screener Carlisle. Inside to Smith. Backing in to the middle into a double team. Scores over it. Savon Smith with the first basket of the second half. He's up to 10 points. And it's 55-36. Atazun, left side, defended by Carlisle. Up top and a run through steal. Jackson Hops, uncontested for the slam. Stars have gotten a few of those, and Jackson Hops pays that one off. Quick 4-0 burst out of the gate for OCU. They're back up 21. Here's another steal by Hops. Up the floor to Alexander. He'll lob it to Hops, who lays it up and in. It did not really go as planned, but it works out. Alexander unable to get the pass off as quickly as he wanted, and now hops out near midcourt, called for a foul, his first and the team's first of the half.
First personal foul, team foul number 1.
Inbound pass gets away, stolen by Alexander. Bryan to the middle, left hand scoop layup, good. Actually left side of the basket with a right hand. Alexander scores. He's got 8. Stars pressure out front, ratcheting up here to start the second half. White, first touch of the half for him, guarded by Alexander. Takes it right, a step back fall away jumper, missed it way too hard. Offensive rebound to Haskell underneath, but Atazun was stripped away by Mateba, and OCU comes up with it. Long pass down the floor to Alexander. He missed the dunk. Rebound to Smith, out to Carlisle. He'll shoot a 3, and he got it. Jonas Carlisle knocks in his second 3. He's got 15 points. And OCU has scored the first 11 points of the second half. Jesse White, three-pointer, left side, got it.
3, Jesse White.
11 for Jesse White. He's made 3 threes. 64-39. Savon Smith, right side, guarded by White. Dribbles left. Tried to hit a cutter Alexander. It was a little too far in front of him. Atazun gets a steal. Haskell on the run. White pull up left side. Three-pointer good. 14 for White. He's made 4 threes in 9 attempts. Carlisle will try to get it back, and he does. Straight away, just a pull-up 3 by Jonas Carlisle. And Jonas has 18. White will try to get another one left side. Missed that one short. That was way deep, and Mateba gets the rebound for OCU. Long pass up the floor to Carlisle at the rim. He got blocked from behind by White, and Haskell rebounds. White pushes it down the floor to Atazun, right side for 3. Air ball rebounded by Alexander on the offside. Stars will push. Alexander, center of the floor, heads off right. Underhand pass to Carlisle. Drives right baseline. Back out to Alexander off the head fake. Dribbles in, gets to the rim and lays it in. A fast-paced start to the second half, and Bryan Alexander now with 10. Jesse White, right side. Whips it to Atazun, rather to Ellenwood in the post. Out to Boykins, right wing. Dribbles on Carlisle. Draws a double team. Bulls his way under the basket and lays it in. 19 for Boykins. 69-44. 15:50 to play, second half. Hops, takes it to the foul line. Jumper from there, missed it short. Mateba comes over the top to get the rebound and call for the foul. Second foul on OCU. First on Mateba.
Their first personal foul, team foul number 2. Into the lineup for the Stars.
Hancock and Tranter into the game for OCU. Mateba, Alexander go to the bench. Zahir Michael Fuller into the game for Haskell. White on the dribble, top of the circle. Steps back, top of the key. Plays it off to Ellenwood. Back to White, driving it baseline. Goes underneath the basket. Tried to drop it off to a teammate. It finds its way to Fuller. He shoots a fall-away jumper, right elbow, and hits. First basket for Fuller. He did not play in the first half. 69-46, 4 in a row by Haskell. Carlisle to Smith in the right low post. Backing in on Fuller with a drop step, got stripped and fouled on by Fuller.
Fighting Indians call for the foul, number 25, Zahir Michael Fuller. First personal foul, team foul number 1. At the line for the Stars.
They will say that's a shooting foul for Savon Smith. Can't say I agree with that, but Smith will step to the line where he's 2 for 2 today, and he missed the first. Stars as a team are 7 of 12 now foul shooting. Smith makes the second. 11 points for Savon Smith. 70-46. OCU with 14:57 to play second half. White on the dribble, defended by Smith. Whips it to Olney, left side, deep three. Got it. First three for Preston Olney. He has 7. Haskell continues to fire away from 3. Savon Smith finds himself open straight away. 3-pointers no good, and White rebounds for Haskell. Into the front court. Thought about a step back 3, didn't take it to Ellenwood. Across to Olney, right side off the shot fake. Hop stays with him. Over to White, left side guarded by Carlisle. 16 to shoot. Backing his way in. Whips a pass across the defense, intercepted by Bo Tranter. Tranter center of the floor, heads off right, gets to the block. Leaning jumper, no, but he was fouled. 2 shots for Bo Tranter. I think White is the one who fouled him, but we have a timeout. No, they got Olney for the foul. And that's 4 on Olney, the second team foul on Haskell. And we have a timeout, 70-49. Coming up on the 14-minute mark of the second half. Stars now have 3 players in double figures. Led by Carlisle with 18, Smith with 11, Alexander 10. Hops with 9, Muteba 8, Tranter with 6, Hancock 5, McWilliams 2, and Cloud with 1. For Haskell, Boykins has 19, White has 14, Olney with 7, Atajun 6, Fuller with 2, Campbell with 1. Stars lead on the glass is now 23-13. 11-2 second chance points, 22-11 points off turnovers, and the Stars dominating the paint to the tune of 28-6.
Your OCU Pep Dancers. At the line for the Stars, number 44, Bo Tranter.
Bo Tranter will be at the line. 2 out of 4 in the game today. Makes the first. Second is also good. Tranter with 8, and the Stars cause a turnover on the inbound.
Stars ball.
Haskell turns it over for the 13th time. Lob inbound to the left block to Hancock. Follow-away jump hook missed short. Rebound batted out toward the foul line and taken by Ellenwood for Haskell. Only into the front court left side. Has a screen, doesn't use it. Now comes to the top behind another pick. Throws it to Ellenwood at the right elbow. Back out to Boykins, beyond 3. Gets a screen. Dives into the middle. Leaning jumper is good. 72-51. Boykins up to 21 points. Tranter, left side, hops for 3. Yes. Jackson Hops with 9 points, his first 3. Olney on the dribble, top of the circle, picks it up, needs somewhere to go, then it's slapped away by Tranter, so Olney gets his dribble back. Stops foul line, shoots over Bo and hits. Olney now with 9 points, he averages 12. Tranter gets by the defense, gets to the rim, and gets hammered by Ellenwood. second on Ellenwood, the third on Haskell as a team, and Tranter makes the first of his 2 here. Bo's up to 9 points, 5 of them from the foul line. He's 5 out of 7. Lawrence Taylor is in. Ryan Alexander also back in the game as Bo makes the second. And it's 77-53. The ball batted out of bounds away from White by Tranter. Haskell will inbound. 19 to shoot. And it comes to Olney. Guarded by Alexander. Plays it to White, curl cutting left side, dives to the basket, missed the layup off the glass and rim. Tranter rebounds on the run. Bo center of the floor, now heads right, curls it back, bounces it to Hancock. Left slot, backdoor pass to Alexander at the rim, layup missed. White snatches the rebound for Haskell on the run. Pitches it to Boykins off the shot fake. Splits the defense and a foul. On Bo Tranter, his second. Third foul on OCU. Inbound to White, has a path to the basket, and then that closed quickly. He had to get rid of it. Out to Boykins. Backing in on Cloud. Ran over James, offensive foul. And that's 4 on Nehemiah Boykins. So he'll have to go to the bench, not for the first time in the game, but for the first extended period of time he'll have to sit. Campbell is back in, so is Jacobs. And Jack McWilliams returns for OCU. Stars lead is 77-53. Inbound to midcourt to Alexander. Underhand pass to Taylor. Let a defender fly by, and he shoots for 3 left corner. It's spun out, no good. Offensive rebound to McWilliams. He powers it back up and puts it in. First field goal for Jack McWilliams. He has 4 points. White guarded by Cloud. Crosses over to his right. Fall away 18-footer. In and out, no. James undercut him and is called for the foul. 2 shots for White. So the first on Cloud and the 4th team foul. And Jesse White will shoot 2. He's an 80% foul shooter. James Cloud apparently has blood on his jersey. So Jesse White will be shooting foul shots. They'll allow a little bit of time for Cloud to get cleaned up, and apparently they've got him taken care of, and he's good to go back in. First trip to the foul line today for White, and he missed the first. It's not been an efficient 14 points for White. 5 of 14 from the floor, 4 of 10 on threes. He makes the second. Apparently they said that was a 3-shot foul. I did not think that was a 3-shot foul. And we have the ability to look at the replay, and I believe we will. So White made the second foul shot. So now we'll look at the replay to determine if this was a 3-shot foul or not. 79-54 is our score. White missed the first, made the second of the foul shots. And we're going to go back to try to determine whether this should have been a 3-shot foul or not. Quick review, 2-shot foul. So it'll be OCU ball. I like when we use the replay for its intended purpose and it doesn't take too long. Haskell will put on some full court press now. Inbound to Alexander. Back to Cloud. Center of the floor to Taylor. Nearly threw it away. Got it back. Needs to get it across. He does with a left-hand dribble. Harassed by Jacobs. He hands it off to Alexander. 79-54 with 11:25 to play. Second half. James Cloud just below the three-point line. Bounce pass to Hancock. Left block. Turnaround jump hook. Good. Foul call +1 for Hakeem Hancock. Jacobs with the foul. It's his first and the team's fifth. Peyton Ackerman will check in for the first time. Hancock's foul shot is good. He's up to 8, and it's 82-54. This matches the largest lead of the game for OCU. White, right side, defended by Cloud. Pulls up, three-pointer, front rim, no good. Taylor rebounds, outlets to Ackerman. Peyton across midcourt to Lawrence Taylor. Lost control of the dribble, and it's taken by Attajun for Haskell. White heads right, crosses over back left, crosses over again. Now picks it up, bounces off Cloud. Out front, Attajun for three, missed it short. Hancock rebounds. Hakeem gets to the basket, a defender underneath, a blocking foul called. Hakeem puts it in, it's a +1. Well, that was weird. So Hancock now with 10. A defender had fallen down under the basket as Hancock made his way down the lane.
At the line for the Stars, number 10, Hakeem Hancock.
Hancock has a chance to complete a three-point play once again, and he does. Here's Campbell, short jump hook in the lane is good for Haskell. And that breaks up a 10-0 run. Wide open three for Hancock the other way, missed. McWilliams taps the rebound. Jackins up on the deck. Campbell does as well. Haskell has the ball going the other way. In the lane, White, short jumper, heel of the rim, no good. Hancock rebounds on the run. No numbers, he'll push anyway. Barrels right, gets to the rim, left-hand scoop layup, no good. And the rebound to Haskell, and a long pass up the floor. Somehow two hops to White, who backs away the left corner, shoots for three, back rimmed it, no good. Taylor mistimed his jump. Attajun rebounds, jumper good, and a foul. And it'll be a one shot for Attajun. That's the first on Taylor, the fifth on OCU. A chance for a three-point play for Attajun. 9:35 to play. Second half, OCU up big over Haskell, 85-58. Their biggest lead was 31. Haskell scored a couple in a row, and now a chance for a three-point play here for Kohanan Atajun. But he missed a foul shot, and Muteba with the rebound. Ackerman, defended by Atajun, takes him on the drive left corner. Tranter, he's up with a three. That's way short, an air ball. Rebound on the ground, picked up by White for Haskell. White with a lob pass to Boykins. He had to save it from going out of bounds. Ackerman was fronting him and managed to get in his way enough to cause the pass to go errant, but Boykins tracked it back down and threw it off of Ackerman out of bounds. Hawkins will inbound, does so to White, guarded by Cloud, 20 to shoot. 9:07 to play. White continues to dribble, now takes it right, gets around James, scoop layup, miss, rebound tipped in by Atajun. Tranter into the front court, diagonal dribble to his right. Now heads left, gets to the middle, gets to the rim. Shot was partially blocked. Muteba tried to tip it in, it wouldn't go. The next rebound, Boykins takes it coast to coast, got his dunk blocked, or his layup blocked, and will have basket interference. Is that offensive basket interference or defensive? We'll see. Apparently offensive, because there was a Haskell player that had jumped up and grabbed the rim. That was Campbell. Well, they do. They count the basket, so it's 85-62. Muteba backing in, out to Cloud. 19-footer straight away. Good.
James Cloud, assisted by Alphonse Muteba.
Here's a foul the other way on Ackerman.
Stars off for the foul, number 0, Peyton Ackerman. First personal foul.
First foul on Ackerman, the sixth team foul. Inbound pass stolen by Taylor. Up the floor to Cloud. James for the slam.
James Cloud.
89-62 OCU. Here's Hawkins in the right corner. Dribbles to the elbow, leans in, missed the shot. Muteba rebounds. He's at a double-figure rebounds. That's his 11th. Tranter the other way, fouled on the drive. Atajun with a foul.
For the foul, number 23, Kohanan Atajun. First personal foul, team foul number 7.
Seventh team foul, so this is a 1-and-1 for Bo Tranter. Makes the first.
Substitution for the Fighting Indians, number 24, Preston.
11 for Bo Tranter. Makes both. Olney, left side defended by Ackerman. Takes it baseline, turned away to Atajun mid-post. Shoots over Taylor and missed. Muteba with another rebound. Ackerman in the front court. Gets a screen to his left from Muteba. Throws it into the corner wide open. Bo Tranter for three. Skips off, no good. Boykins the rebound for Haskell. Up the floor to Olney. Right side off the shot fake. Shoots for three right wing and hits.
Preston Olney, 3.
Cloud in the front court. Olney is up to 12 points. Now Tranter sends it across the floor to Taylor for three. Off the glass and in. First basket for Lawrence Taylor and his second made three of the year. Campbell, high post left, hands it off to White coming up from behind. White weaves through traffic, crosses over, heads right, behind the back to nobody, taken by Taylor. OCU on the run with numbers. Tranter left side, hammered going up, and Boykins is fouled out.
Fighting Indians called for the foul. Number 4, Nehemiah Boykins. Their 4th personal foul, team foul number 8. At the line for the Stars, number 44, Bo Tranter.
So Bo Tranter makes the first. And the second. So Bo establishes a new season high, 14 points. Atajun ducks to the basket and lays it in on the other end. He's up to 12. 96-67. Inside McWilliams for the slam. Second basket for Jack. He has 6. (98-67). Here's a floater by Olney the other way, and he puts it in. He's up to 14. Bauer for 3. Front rim no good. Atajun with a rebound. Still 5 minutes and 15 seconds to play. White stripped of the basketball by Taylor, and Lawrence gets a steal. Dribbles up the left slot. Out to Ackerman for 3. Back rim, that no good. Only the rebound. Only a teardrop floater in the middle, no good. McWilliams with the rebound. Outlet to Ackerman. Down the floor to Taylor. One-on-one to the basket. Missed the layup. Got his own rebound. Opposite side. Powers it back up off the glass and in. And the Stars hit 100. Second basket by Taylor. Campbell drives it left. Fouled. Either a blocking foul on Ackerman or a hack on McWilliams. They'll get Jack for his second.
Stars called for the foul, number 15, Jack McWilliams. His second personal foul, team foul number 7.
And we have a timeout with 4:31 to play, second half. It's OCU 100, Haskell 69. Here on OCUSports.com.
My name is Ruth Rusi. I'm a retired teacher. I'm 91 years old, and this is how I live united. I say retired, but not really. Once a week, I read books. I believe that if we're not here to...
It's Campbell. One of 2 at the line today. Makes a first. And the second good as well. Five points for Campbell and a steal for Atajun on the inbound. Out to Olney off the shot fake. Splits the defense. Now a pull-up elbow jumper left side is good. Preston Olney up to 16. Haskell pressing in the backcourt. Jenkins into the front court to Bauer, left corner. Dillon spins on the dribble, throws it to the foul line, McWilliams. Back out front, Osius. Inside of 4 minutes to play. Bauer, left side, left low post to Jack. Second defender lurking, a backdoor pass to Jenkins. Layup, good, foul called. +1 for Destin Jenkins off the great pass by McWilliams. Cordell Funmaker with the foul.
Team foul number 9. At the line for the Stars.
And Destin Jenkins trying to complete the three-point play. And he does. And a timeout, Haskell. Apparently this is a full timeout. Stars lead at 30. They've led by as many as 31. Haskell has 17 turnovers, 13 of them are OCU steals, and it's led to 28 points the other way. Stars currently 6 players in double figures, including a season high 14 points for Bo Tranter. He's out of the game. And Muteba is out of the game as well, who is a basket short of a double-double. He has 8 points and 12 rebounds. Stars will go full court man-to-man. Olney will take it up against Ackerman. Heads left, lost control of the dribble, but it's recovered by Funmaker. Plays it on the wing out to June for 3. That missed everything. Olney saves the rebound, but into the hands of Osius, and OCU on the run. Jenkins, left corner. Ackerman off the head fake, drives in, scoop layup, crawls around and in, but Jack put a fingertip on it. And it's offensive basket interference. 3:18 to play. It'll be Haskell basketball. Inbound to Olney. Races up, pulls up for 3, missed it short. Rebound put in by Funmaker. First basket for Cordell Funmaker. Stars need to get it across the timeline. They do, just ahead of the counter. Osius. Bounce pass to nobody, but Haskell touched it as it caroms out of bounds. They wanted to get it to Jenkins at the high post. Inbound to Jack. In between everybody is fouled. And 4 players in the lane collapsing on Jack McWilliams. Fuller gets a foul. And 2 shots for Jack McWilliams. Makes a first. 7 for Jack. And the second good as well. (105-75). OCU with the lead. Ackerman pokes it away from Olney, but he gets it back. Olney drives it left, gets into the middle, kicks it out. 3-pointer in flight by Merrick, missed. Offensive rebound. Campbell out to Olney. 3-pointer left side is good. 19 for Preston Olney. 105-78 with 2:15 to play. Osius lost control of the dribble, got it back, sends it out to Jenkins straight away for 3. Back rim, that no good. McWilliams offensive rebound. Backs his way to the middle. A drop step and a left-hand jump hook is good. Offhand for Jack McWilliams. He's got 10. Deep three by Olney the other way. He nails it. 22 for Preston Olney. Haskell has made 13 of 34 threes. Inside McWilliams, deep position, and he's grabbed, he puts it in, and a foul called. It's an intentional foul as well. It's a three-point opportunity for Jack, who was just grabbed from behind by Campbell and pulled backward. Jack at 7-1, still able to stick it in.
Jack McWilliams has been lined for the Stars.
So Jack will shoot by himself after the intentional foul. Foul shot's no good. And now to be OCU ball underneath. Inbound to Bauer for three, missed everything. McWilliams offensive rebound inside to Jenkins for the slam. Five for Jenkins and a steal for Osius. He dribbled it off a foot though, and it's taken back by Haskell, and Funmaker drives and puts it in. 4 for Funmaker. Osius to Jenkins, unguarded straight away, 18-footer good. 113 to 83. Pull-up jumper only, foul line, in and out no. Ackerman doubles back for the rebound, 45 seconds left. Ackerman into the front court, defended by Harold Merrick. Takes it top of the circle, heads left between the legs, steps back, long jumper. In and out, no. McWilliams the rebound. One power dribble, and he puts it in. $14 for Jack McWilliams. Olney, left side. Fall away baseline jumper, no, but a foul on Osius.